Hello PBMA community, this is Brendan Nagasar for the Wave Makers, bringing you closer to the action and stories happening with our school community. Let's dive into our quick updates for this week of September 29th to October 3rd, 2025. Here's Marissa and Sophia for Shark Bites.
Good morning, Sharks. My name is Marissa.
And I'm Sophia Varallo.
And here are some quick Shark updates.
Get ready to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Spirit Week from October 6th to the 10th. Here's what's coming up. Monday is Sport Jersey Day. Show off the jersey or colors of your favorite team. Tuesday is Heritage Day. Wear the colors or flags of a Hispanic country. Veguaro's Western Day for Wednesday. Dressed in Western or traditional attire. Thursday is Siesta PJ Day. Come comfy in your pajamas or loungewear, but no blankets. And finally, Friday is Neon Day. Brighten up the halls by wearing the boldest, brightest colors. Remember, Sharks, all Spirit Week outfits must follow school dress codes, guidelines. Let's show our school spirit and celebrate together.
Big news for all our high school boys. Basketball tryouts are just around the corner. Mark your calendars for October 7th through 9th at the PBMA court. Tryouts will run from 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. with Coach Rosemay leading the action. Make sure you bring water and come dressed in your basketball attire. We're looking for players who bring both skill and energy to the court. If you need more details, you can reach out to Coach Rosemay at the email below.
Don't forget, every Friday you can dress down for just $2. Buy a wristband from a senior outside the main office in the mornings. Remember, dress code rules still apply. So no ripped jeans, pajamas, sweatpants, Crocs, or inappropriate shirts. If you have any questions, kindly see Ms. Shorts.
PBMA once again is partnering with Florida Hiking Children's Vision Program. This terrific organization sends a vision van to both of our campuses to provide free eye exams and then give students free glasses if they're required. Please sign up by October 10th. The Vision Van will set a date to come once we have 30 or more students signed up. The link to sign up is mobile.floridahiking.org.
Start your morning off sweet. Donuts are on sale every Wednesday outside Building 2 for just $2 each. First come, first serve. All proceeds going to support our junior and senior prom.
Remember to always adhere to 10-10 rules. It means no bathroom breaks during the first 10 minutes or the last 10 minutes of class. The first 10 minutes of class are for settling in, listening to directions, and starting strong. The last 10 minutes are for finishing up, reviewing, and making sure everyone is prepared before the bell rings.
Mark your calendars. Skate night is happening on Thursday, October 16, 2025 from 6 to 8 p.m. at Astro Skate Family Fun Centers in Green Acres. Admissions is $12, no school the next day. So come out, have fun with friends and families, and enjoy a night of skating and good vibes.
Sharks, it's time for some birthday love.
Yesterday, we celebrated Miss Owens' special day. Happy belated birthday, Miss Owens. We hope it was amazing.
And today, we've got another celebration. Happy birthday to Mr. Andropont. Let's give a big Shark cheer for the both of them.
If you see them around campus, make sure to wish them a happy birthday and show the Shark spirit.
That's all for today's quick Shark updates.
Back to you, Brandon.
In sports, our PBMA Sharks flag football team secured an impressive 9-1 season record. And the PBMA cheerleaders brought school spirit and energy to the big game. Now, let's hand it over to Ryan Konchaleski for the full breakdown.
The PBMA boys flag football team closed out the regular season with a 24-13 victory over Somerset Academy Boca on Wednesday. With the win, the Sharks capped an impressive campaign, finishing 9-1 in the Palm Beach County Charter School League. The team's success was supported by the energy of the PBMA middle school cheerleading squad and a strong turnout of teachers who filled the sidelines to cheer them on. The Sharks have earned the number 2 seed in the upcoming playoffs and will host Slam on Tuesday at Dr. Andrew Binns Field. Fans are encouraged to come and rally behind the team as they push for a playoff win. On Wednesday, October 1st, 2025, the PBMA cheerleading squad came out in full school uniform to support and cheer for the PBMA flag football team. With their coaches, Miss Owens and Miss Davids, leading them, the squad energized the sidelines with school pride and enthusiasm. Their presence not only boosted the team's morale, but also brought excitement to the crowd, making the game a spirited showcase of Shark pride.
Stay tuned for highlights, game scores, and upcoming matches as our athletes continue to show teamwork, dedication, and Shark pride. This time, we're diving into a special segment called Guiding the Waves. We'll be hearing from Ms. Short, our new secondary graduation coach, who's been making a big impact by supporting students on their path to success. Let's get to know more about her journey and the way she's helping guide our Sharks toward the finish line. Here's Alexis Olsen for Guiding the Waves.
Welcome to Guiding the Wave. I am Alexis Olsen, and today we're highlighting someone who's been a familiar face at PBMA and is stepping into a new exciting role this school year, our secondary coach, Ms. Short. Ms. Short, congratulations on your new role. Can you tell us a little bit about what graduation coach means to you?
Sure. So as graduation coach of the secondary campus, I'm working with our students to prepare them for college and beyond. I'm working to get them all of their credits, get their classes in order. We work with SAT prep, we do college readiness. I'm working with the seniors first, and then I'm going to work my way down to all of the high school students at PBMA just to touch base with them and get them ready for their next steps in their high school and college journeys.
That's so exciting. What are you most looking forward to in this new role?
I'm most looking forward to working with PBMA students to help them set out their goals, especially for college, and to work with the students that I've already made relationships with on this campus. I've known a lot of them in 7th grade civics, and I've watched them grow all the way up to high school, and so now I get to step into a role where I get to help them in a different way, and that's really exciting to me.
I do have one final question for you. What is one message you want to tell the students for this school year?
Just your mindset is everything. Be positive every day and keep moving forward.
Thank you so much, Ms. Short. We're thrilled to have you as our secondary graduation coach this year, and we can't wait to see what positive impact you make on our students this year.
Thank you, Alexis. Bye.
That's it for this week's Guiding the Wave. Back to you, Brandon.
Up next, we're catching up with two of our football standouts, DeAndre Sherrod and Derek Jackson. These Sharks have been making big plays on the field, and we're here to hear their insights, experiences, and their best piece of advice they've learned from their coaches. Here's Zoe Quevedo for the Sport Spotlight.
What's up, Sharks? I'm Zoe. I'm here today with two football superstars from PBMA who have been playing straight fire on the field, DeAndre Sherrod and Derek Jackson. Let's get into it. DeAndre, that touchdown last game, whole crowd went crazy. What was running through your head?
I just feel like that we should be able to come out and score every play because every play should be a highlight play and give us a better chance of winning, and I like to win.
Derek, you also put points on the board. What's the secret sauce?
Honestly, it's my coach and my teammates for motivating me to get my touchdowns during the games. Shout out to DeAndre for giving me the plays to going for scoring the touchdowns.
All right. What's the greatest advice you've learned from your coaches that keeps you going?
Coach Stoker, he tells me every play to go hard and every play is a highlight play.
Mr. Jacks tell me to play together, communicate, and play together as teammates.
You guys are sitting strong in second place in the league. What's driving you to keep pushing for that top spot?
One and then more. We want to win. We don't like to lose. We practice hard, play hard, and play together as brothers.
I want to win for my dad and my teammates and coach because he motivates us to keep going and play together.
There you have it, Sharks. DeAndre and Derek, that dynamic duo making Shark Nation proud. Keep your eyes on the field because these guys are chasing greatness. Let's hear it one more time. Go Sharks!
Sometimes things don't go exactly as planned. Here's the first wave of the Wavemakers bloopers.
Thank you, Alberto. Hello, Sharks. Hello, PBMA community. We're joined here today by this dynamic duo who serve as leaders and inspiration to the PBMA community. Please tell us a little bit about yourselves.
Hello, I'm Brandon Agasar, and I'm the senior class president of the year 2025 to 2026.
And I'm his vice president.
How do you plan to represent the diverse interests and concerns of the student body? I'll skip the question.
Thank you, Alexis. That's that. Hello, PBMA community. Welcome. Nope. Hello, PBMA community. Hello, PBMA community. Hello, PBMA community. This is Brandon Aguilar for the Wave Makers, bringing you closer to the app. Again?
Why are we doing?
For students like Samuel and Abraham. Okay, right. So look, it says, thank you, Samuel. Whoa! We're joined here with Abraham and Samuel. How do you think FAST's impact?
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Brandon. Today we'll be giving you updates about what Mr. Jackson's art classes are currently working on, their future products. Thank you, Brandon. Today we'll be giving you updates about what Mr. Jackson's art classes are currently working on.
You screwed up.
Thank you, Brandon. Today we'll be giving you
Good morning, Sharks. My name is Marissa.
And I'm Sophia Varallo.
And here are some quick Shark updates.
Oh!
Hello, PBMA community. This is Brandon Aguilar for. Stay tuned for highlights, game scores, and upcoming match.
Thank you. Hi.
Oh my God! Wow!
That's it for this week's The Wave Makers. See you next time, hopefully with fewer bloopers. Sharks, always remember to reflect our shark mentality by being safe, respectful, and responsible. Again, this is Brandon Aguilar for The Wave Makers.